Hey everybody, it's Kelly from Park Hop Magic. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a guide and a room tour of the Polynesian Resort in Disney World in Florida. Recently, I stayed at a duo studio room in the new tower at the Poly. I thought it might be fun for us to look at the room, look at the tower, and have a good long look around the resort. The Polynesian is a beautiful deluxe resort just across the lagoon from the Magic Kingdom. The Polynesian has lots of different rooms, different price levels, and different options for things to do, places to eat, and lots of choices for transportation. Today we're going to take a look at all of those things and have a wonderful time. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. All right, first things first. The Polynesian Resort was first built in 1971, and it was one of the two original Disney World hotels on property. Since 1971, it has been expanded, remodeled, redesigned, refurbished, and reimagined in various ways. The Poly is very distinct. Disney describes it as celebrating the spirit of the South Pacific. Here, you're going to find a sort of oasis. You're going to see tropical palm trees, lots of vegetation and flowers, and quite a few beautiful swimming pools. When you're walking around the resort, you're going to hear quite a bit of piped-in Hawaiian music. You're going to see sandy beaches, hammocks, inviting chairs, lots of spaces to be outdoors and spend time together. It's a very inviting atmosphere. It's a very laid-back atmosphere. If you're looking for a tropical oasis feel to your resort, this may be the one for you. The Poly consists mostly of a spread-out resort, hotel rooms of different sizes laid out in long buildings resembling longhouses. You also have the option of over-the-water bungalows, and there are a variety of rooms to choose from in the new tower. Let's take a look at some of the amenities and recreational opportunities offered to you when you stay at the Polynesian Village Resort. First, let's take a look at shopping. In the Great Ceremonial House, you're going to find Bo Tiki. This is a huge gift shop. It has a line of island apparel in here and different unexpected items such as that. They also have plenty of park merchandise here. You're going to find spirit jerseys, t-shirts, Loungeflies, and different things like that. You will find a variety of tiki merchandise in here and some delicious Hawaiian-themed food as well. This is a great place to pass some time if you enjoy shopping. Upstairs, you're going to find Moana Mercantile. This is a quick grab-and-go small gift shop, largely focused on children's items, but you will also find some snacks and drinks to grab and go here. Some other amenities include an ATM machine available. There are smoking areas throughout the resort. You do receive complimentary Wi-Fi while you're a guest here. You do get free parking when you're a guest here or you have a dining reservation. The front desk has package delivery available and pre-stamped mailing of packages and envelopes. Now, as far as other things to do here, you have swimming pools and you have many choices. There's a lava pool, a cove pool, and Moana's Voyage splash pad for little ones. You also have an oasis pool. They are beautiful pools, and the lava pool actually has a little waterfall and a water slide. Now, to go along with those swimming pools, you're going to have a lot of staff-led activities such as pool parties and poolside games for children. Now, outside of the pool, there is a fitness center for adults. For families, you will find movies outdoor in the evenings. We also have campfires at night along the beach. These are really wonderful. They're complimentary. You can come roast marshmallows, and often they sell kits if you would like to make s'mores. You will also find family dance parties during the day and in the evening. For an extra fee, you can organize a fishing excursion, and throughout the week, there are family-friendly crafts offered. There are lawn games available, and just overall, as you can see, plenty of choices for organized activities and also just lying by the pool, wandering the resort, having a wonderful time. Okay, next up, we're going to look at dining, and there is so much to talk about with food, cocktails, bars, and places to eat at the Polynesian Village Resort. Just look at all of these options. This includes quick service, poolside bars, fine dining, and everything in between. Let's take a quick look at each one. Captain Cook's is their main quick service restaurant. It is open from breakfast till late at night. Here you will find things like Mickey waffles and Tonga toast. In the afternoon and evening, they have Aloha pork sandwiches, Pan Asian noodles, burgers, chicken, flatbread, pastries and coffee, beer and wine, a few grab-and-go items here as well. This is a great place to go if you want something fast. Are you a fan of Disney World's Dole Whip? The Polynesian Village Resort is the only resort at the time of this recording where you can get Dole Whip on property. You will find it at Pineapple Lanai. They have different Dole Whip varieties, and you can also get a floater with some coconut rum. If you are at all familiar with dining in the Disney bubble, you have heard of Ohana. This is the Polynesian's signature sit-down restaurant. This is a price-fixed, all-you-care-to-enjoy menu. For breakfast, you will find a wide variety of food offered, such as Tonga toast and Mickey waffles. And this is a character breakfast as well, with Lilo and Stitch making an appearance. For dinner, you can have Ohana noodles, dumplings, teriyaki, and beef. And don't forget to try the Ohana bread pudding. It is famous. The Wailulu Bar and Grill is new. It can be found in the Island Tower. This has indoor and outdoor seating. You will find things here like teriyaki chicken, grilled fish, wings, burgers, salads, beer, wine, and cocktails. Other places to eat include the Kona Cafe. This has all-day dining. They have Tonga toast, macadamia pineapple pancakes. Kona Island is a full coffee bar. They also have pastries and snacks. The Oasis Bar and Grill is a great place to grab light snacks and cocktails poolside. Tambu Lounge has tropical drinks and appetizers, as does Trader Sam's. Let's take a look now at the transportation options offered to you as well when you stay at the Polynesian. One of the best parts of staying at any Disney resort is the complimentary transportation to and from the parks as well as Disney Springs. The Polynesian has more options than usual. First of all, if you're feeling ambitious, you can actually walk to the Magic Kingdom from the Polynesian Village Resort. You can walk through the resort, through the Grand Floridian Resort, and follow a walking trail that wraps all around the edge of the lagoon. It's scenic, quiet, beautiful. You can take it coming or going. It's a really nice choice. Next up, you have the option of water transportation. There are very specific resort launches that will take you to the Grand Floridian and the Polynesian. These are small boats, very fun to ride, especially at night. They run every 10 or 15 minutes, and it's a really great choice if you want to zip over to the Magic Kingdom. If you're looking to go to Hollywood Studios or Animal Kingdom, going to take a bus. These are wonderfully comfortable buses, well air-conditioned. They can accommodate scooters and wheelchairs. They can pack in quite a few people, and it's a great way to get you where you're going. One of the very best options for transportation at the Poly, though, is the monorail. You have your own exclusive monorail you can jump on right there at the resort. This monorail will get you over to the Magic Kingdom, and if you would like to continue on to Epcot, you can change monorails there. Now, something that may not seem obvious is the Transportation and Ticket Center. You can actually just walk right over here, jump on the ferry boat, and take that back and forth. You can also catch the monorail here. That will take you to the Magic Kingdom. Also at the Magic Kingdom, you can transfer if you would like to continue on to Epcot. Okay, now we're going to get on to the room tour of this video. And before we begin the room tour of the Duo Studio in the Island Tower, let me just point out that there are many different size rooms available at the Polynesian, as well as these over-the-water villas that are just amazing. These all come with different price levels, of course. The room tour we're doing today is the room that I stayed in the brand new Island Tower. Keep in mind that this room is the smallest room available on property. Trade-off for such a small room is a lower rate than usual. So if there's just one or two of you in your party, you'd like to stay at the Polynesian, but you'd like to save a little money, you might want to look into this Duo Studio room. All right, here we go. Now I'm standing right against the door. This is the very farthest entrance into the room. And right here is your bathroom sink. Now I know it's an odd place for a bathroom sink, but that's where it is. You can see you have plenty of storage here for whatever you want to bring. You get complimentary little items right here, soap and lotion. There's a couple of plugs here, beautiful makeup mirror, and these two very nice lit up mirrors as well. As for the restroom, you can see it has a gigantic shower, and it has different shower heads available as well. You can see the rainforest shower head, and there's also a removable shower nozzle. It's very spacious, and you do get these complimentary amenities as well: shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. All right, now we're stepping into the heart of the room, and this is it. This is the studio room. That beautiful painting hides the pull-down bed. It is a queen-size bed. We have a balcony that is available to us. Huge TV, nice-sized dresser available. Plenty of storage in these drawers. We have a nice-sized closet that lights up when you open it, and it comes with a pop-up clothes hamper, a few clothes hangers. Those are your pillows and blankets you'll need later. It comes with a little clothes steamer as well, and your room safe. Now this is a beautiful painting. It's a daytime painting, of course, and you're going to notice when I pull the bed down that there is a nighttime version of this painting behind it. Here's our tiny little kitchen, and this is so handy if you're staying here for a few days. You get a little refrigerator. There are some items here that are extra nice, such as this Keurig coffee maker. You're also given a small supply of coffee. And you're also provided with some silverware, a bottle opener, and a nice little selection of plates and glasses. There's also a toaster available, so you have the ability to make something in your toaster, make some coffee, cook things in the microwave. If you want to heat up some leftovers, you do have some options there. And here we are with the view of the bed out. So as you can see, there's the painting I mentioned. It's the same painting as the front of the bed. It's just a nighttime version, and it is beautiful. You do have a little lamp next to the bed. There's a phone. There are also a couple of USB ports right there next to that painting, so you can charge your phone close to the bed. And really, this extra piece of couch here, if you had a small one, if you had somebody that didn't mind, they could sleep there if they wanted to. And there you have it. There's the whole room with the bed folded out. And that is your duo studio room. Now, let's go take a look at the balcony. I had what is called a resort view. So I got to look out at a parking lot, a golf course, and the monorail. Now, I will say it was wonderful having a view this close of the monorail. The balcony has 2 chairs and a small table. If it's not too hot, this is a wonderful place to sit outside, especially in the evening, and just watch the monorail go back and forth. And that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed the room tour and a look around the Polynesian Village Resort. This is a beautiful resort. I never thought much about staying here, but after staying here one time, I am hooked. This is scenic, it's an oasis, it's inviting, relaxing, and it is so convenient to the Magic Kingdom itself. It is just a beautiful spot along the water. I love the beaches, the music, the entire atmosphere. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy your next Disney day. Bye-bye.